Skinny's World. And 6. What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. I have like 15, 20, I don't know how many crazy supercars with me right now. We're heading down to South Coast OC, Cars and Coffee. It's gonna be wild, it's gonna be crazy. Like always, that's what you get on Skinny's World. So before we get going, hit that subscribe button, bottom right hand corner of your screen. This vlog is gonna be lit, it's gonna be crazy, and we got more coming. Without further ado, I'm gonna stop the talking, the chit chat, and let's get on with the vlog. Yay! My boy Mark, he just got that 720 and it's nasty. The wrap, the wheels, I love it. Okay. Oh my God, the meetup just came to the meetup. We're at Bowden and it's nuts right now. Woo! Never rock, baby! Let's go! Sounds so good. Pops and bangs, baby. The clearance. They let anybody in here.
I know. RX and everyone.
That's my boy Adam. He's crazy. What's up, bro?
How you doing?
Good. Man, it's always nice to come to South Coast OC. Yes, the biggest car show, I'll say in the United States. Every Saturday, it's packed and it's crazy. And just like that, we are at South Coast OC, Cars and Coffee, and we got some whips here. We got twin turbo Lamborghinis, R8s, and making me question my choice of supercharging or twin turboing. Guys, I know, talking about it for a minute, I keep going back and forth. Thought I made up my mind, but yes, the twin turbo is back in my head again. I'm rethinking my strategy. We can talk about that later. But look at this. Oh my gosh, my boy Josh. Yes, talk to my boy Josh. This build is pretty nasty. My other boy Mike from MFR Engineering did the kit on here. And ooh wee. You guys see, front splitter is crazy. It looks like it's almost factory. Come to the side skirts, look at this. Woo, woo, woo. And the best part is the diffuser. Oh my goodness, big booty Judy. Look at this thing. Yes, yes. My boy Mike at MFR kills it. Yep, all right, okay, yep, all right, okay. Yep, like I said, twin turbo thoughts are back in my head again. Gosh, man. Twin turbo, supercharger. Twin turbo, supercharger. All right, and we have the recently twin turbo Steve Will Do It mobile. Steve will definitely do it from the Full Send team. Look at this. With a Marlboro livery. That's pretty good. Now we gotta check out my boy Cam from Ticket Dismissers. If you guys don't know, it's a Ventador. He wide-body the hell out of it right before SEMA. Apparently it's one in the world with this Liberty Walk kit on it, and it's nasty. Look at this thing. Holy Sounds amazing.
Another time I'll tell you what's up.
Okay, yes. He's gonna show us what's up. Woo. Yes. All the way up there. Later, brother. All right, G Money.
Say hi to the boys.
Oh, what's up?
Skinny's world.
What in the world is this? You guys saw the slow-mos, how crazy this car is. Now, I'm not the smartest guy when it comes to race cars, so I'm gonna let the owner, Don, talk about this build, because he actually built this car. Tell me whatever you can tell me about this car, because everybody wants to know. This thing is insane.
It's an SLC Superlite. They call it Superlite because it's pretty damn light. SLC actually means Super Light Coupe.
Okay.
They had to think long and hard to come up with that acronym.
It's pretty tricky right there.
2,000 pounds. So like, for instance, a Koenigsegg or something like that, which costs about $2 million, weighs about 3,500 pounds, round numbers. We both make about the same amount of horsepower, depending upon the particular tune that you've got in the motor. So it's detuned for street at about 850 horsepower. You can tune it for track to about 1,350 horsepower.
Woo! Turn up the heat a little bit. Turn it up.
Yeah, the Koenigsegg goes 277. I think this on paper looks like we'll do about 308, 310. Wow. And this is a car will be driven on the street every day.
Wow.
I do not need a garage queen.
Can you imagine driving this car with those seats, those race seats? And he has cup holders. You got 2 cup holders. That's pretty functional.
Air conditioning too.
And air conditioning.
A trunk. At least I'm building the
And a
trunk. Right
trunk.
now. When it's finished, that'll be a trunk.
There you go.
Sort of.
Everyone's dream is to have a race car for the streets. He literally has a race car for the streets. Hey, thanks for sharing with us.
Okay.
Really appreciate it. It's
All right.
amazing. It's a beautiful car.
Back on deck. Back on deck. Back on deck.
You guys saw the slow-mos. This is Peter, owner of 1016. Yes, whose kit I have on my R8. This is his McLaren. You obviously see how nasty his kit is on his 720. So you can imagine why I love 1016 so much, because his imagination is out of control. Like, look at the rims, look at this. Out of control. All 1016, and that's why I love them. Their products are nice, they're sturdy, and good Lord. Whew. I love looking at them. Wow. Crazy to see another R8 in its stock form compared to what mine looks like now. This is what I started with, and you guys see what I got now. It's crazy to see that. Like, what a difference.
Okay, all right.
Ooh, look at this. What? That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, you guys. Once again, your boy Skinny closed out the event. South Coast OC, guys, I'm telling you, it is the biggest and largest car show that happens every week in the United States. You don't believe me? Come check it out for yourself, and it's lit. This thing is just wild. Out of control. I think we should properly end on the race car. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun rolling down with the crew. Once again, guys, hit that subscribe button on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. I got another banger coming next week. I promise you, you won't want to miss it. So without further ado, just like that, Skinny's real, and we out. Skinny's what?